You guys, check out this delicious pot of creamy pinto beans. You guys, if you're ready for this video, like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. And your girl will definitely check you out if you leave a comment below. But check it out, you guys. This one pot of 1 pound bag of pinto beans could feed enough people around, you guys. And then the meat, oh my goodness. Check out the video. Let's go. Hi guys. You guys, we are going to go ahead and we're going to make us a good old pot of pinto beans on this nice, beautiful, comfort day. Yes, I said comfort day. So yeah, we're going to make us some good old pinto beans. So if you're ready for this video, you guys, go and get your snack and come back. So we have the pinto beans right here, and they is in a pre-soak, okay? So now you always want to pre-soak them ahead of time for a couple of hours, because you want to make sure that you get all the gravel and everything out of them. So yeah, we drain that water off of them. So the first step is I'm going to put this little bit of olive oil into this pan, because I'm going to get this to soaking. Not soaking. I'm sorry, not soaking, you guys. You know we make our own mistakes, but I'm not going to take it out. So we got some cut up onions and sweet pepper. You guys, if you haven't checked out that lime and bean, oh, it gave it a twist. That sweet pepper gave it a twist. So yeah, your girl wanted to try with the good old pinto beans. So if you view me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. So we're going to go ahead and let these get a saute on them, because these beans is going to have a twist. Now, I want you guys to share this video with any and everyone. Let them know you can make affordable beans at no cost. Okay, so we're going to continue to let these saute for a quick minute. Now, when I say these beans is at an affordable cost, I don't misuse it, you guys. So we're going to put our pinto beans right on in here. Now I want you guys to pay attention to what I'm doing, because I know you're going to say, no, she did not. And we're going to go and stir that on up in there. Now on this season, we're going to put in these beans with some black pepper, right? We're going to sprinkle some black pepper in here. And we really didn't have to do that. Okay, to be truthful, we really didn't have to do that. And we're going to put some minced garlic in here. And this is the roasted garlic. We're going to put a little roasted garlic in there. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. And we're going to go and give these another stir, because we're going to get that garlic right on in there. Oh my goodness. And we're going to let that rest with a little water. Okay, now let me get some more water. So we're going to put some more water, because we want enough water to get middle of this pot. Maybe about right here. Okay, somewhere around in there. So 1 more cup. Okay, that should be it. Now that's enough water. You guys, I don't have my measuring cup. But we're going to go on and let these beans do their thing. Because like I say, that's all the seasoning I'm going to add. Because, like I stated before, you need to pay attention to the video. So that's it. And we'll be back once we get these to boiling and at their peak. Okay guys, so meantime we have a pan over here with some melted butter. So we want to make sure that this butter, because this pan is hot, get all over in the 4 corners, okay? Now I mixed up me some cornbread because I want to make me a butter pan of cornbread, you guys. So we're going to take some of this butter and we're going to put it over in this pan. Just like so. Okay? I have other recipes on how to make this cornbread that I love to make. So yeah, we're going to pour this mixture right on over in here. Because we need some good old cornbread to go with these beans I'm about to create. And we're just going to swerve that butter right on in here, you guys. Make sure your pan is good and hot. Yes, we want that butter to get right on in there. Okay. So we're going to put this cornbread right on in the oven. And we're going to let this cornbread cook for the beans. Okay guys, so we're going to take a look at our beans. Okay, so now you see all the water has come down some, you guys, because these beans have swollen up. You see that? So they look all good and thick now. Now, what I would do is I will always add a little more water. Now I know some of you guys, because you can see the thickness coming in on that juice. So I know some of you guys saying, well, what about the meat? Now, actually, you can add you some more water. And then, this becomes I want to say a vegetarian pot of beans. Vegan, you know, follow me on this. I'm not good at it. But, you can turn this pot down low and just let it cook, and you will see your sauce, your gravy, what one would call it. Okay, but we're not done here, because your girl is gonna add some meat to this pot, but the meat that I'm gonna add is already pre-cooked, and I cannot wait for you guys to see this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let this boil some more, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a good look at these beans. So you see that juice has become a little thicker for the second time. Look at that deliciousness. You guys, if you could smell the aroma, you would definitely be shocked. So now it's time to add the meat. Yes, you see it. So yeah. We're going to open up this bag, and this is lightly peppered, seasoned, crackling. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour this bag over in this pot of beans. Now you guys, if you haven't checked out my cabbage using these, go check that video out. I definitely will leave it in the description. And you guys, look at there. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to let this cook on down. We're going to let all of that seasoning get up in there. That's why you don't really need any seasoning. You guys, when I tell you, if you love pork crackling, if you love pork, you definitely will love this pot of beans. You will love this in cabbage or greens. You cannot go wrong with this. You don't always have to buy a pack of meat or bacon to put in there. So we're going to let this cook, and we'll come back once this has got done. And yeah, your girl going to show you the outcome. You guys, take a look at this. You see how they swole up? And that delicious pot of beans is really coming together. So yeah, if you're viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. I would love to have you. This is a delicious pot of beans. Delicious pot. And no, you don't need any more seasoning. This pot, an airy bowl of beans would definitely have meat in it. And like I say, it's your choice if you want to add meat to it. But I don't feel like you need any meat. No more than that. I have tried this recipe in many ways using this. I have tried different recipes, you guys. So yeah. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, hit that subscribe button and come join your girl. Make sure that you leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. So meantime, you guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. You let these beans continue to get their thickness and keep an eye on them so they do not burn. But that is a delicious pot of beans. So sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye. You guys, check out this delicious Pinto beans.